Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Lara from Katseye. So let's get started. To draw cute Lara, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now I'm at 2 circles in. I'm going to come in here with two circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom to make them my draw so cute eyes, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now at that end, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them over some lashes. And same thing here. To make 2 curves. And then let's go ahead and give her a smile. So right in the center area, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. Then we need to frame her face. So I'm going to come to the center and I'm going to go up. About, say, actually, you know what? Let's draw her brow first. Sorry about that. So say about right here. I'm just going to draw this angle line first, just so I know where her brow is. But we're not going to draw all of it. And the reason is because she has strands of hair that's really close to her eye. So let's find the center. So now that I know where the brow is, I kind of can say maybe about right here is where her hairline should start, and right in the center and right about here, I'm going to come down with a curve and hit her eye. So same thing on the other side. And hit her eye. Then we're going to bring this down, continuing it, hitting the eye and coming out. So this is 2 strands right next to her eye. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the rest of her face. So right about here, just kind of where her face would show up. And here, I'm going to go ahead and find my center. Let's say about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve to my point. Give her a sharp chin. And same thing here. Just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. There. Okay, so now that I have that, I can go ahead and right in the center, before I forget, I'm just going to draw this kind of like long teardrop shape. This jewel in the center of her head. Between her brow. And so then let's finish the rest of her brows out here. Just go ahead and thicken it up. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw some more of her hair. So I'm just going to go up, about right there. And we're going to curve on both sides. But before I finish that, let's come back right here and just going to draw the strand. Come down and then just kind of curve it out. Same thing over here. And curve it out, and then right about here, go up and then come down, kind of angle a little bit on the sides and then down. So same thing here. Angle a little bit and then bring it down. Then you can come in here if you like, with some parting lines. So then from there, this is going to continue out. And same thing here. But before I finish that, let's go ahead and draw her body. So I'm going to right here in the center, give her a neck, I'm going to come out about right there and here, and then come down, say about right here and here where her armpit area would be, and we're just going to draw 2 angle lines. Now that we have these 2 lines, I'm going to just bring it down a little bit more. Let's say about, well, you know what, let's go down. Sorry, a little bit more, just right to her waist. So let's say about right there. And we're just going to connect it with a curve. And then let's come back up for some details. So right here, we're going to draw her top. We're going to go up. And then 2 little wobbles and come right back down to the center. And wobble, wobble. And same thing on the other side. Then right here, just add in 2 straps. And same thing here. And then for some detail right here, we're going to come down. Just some details on her top, and then right here, another wobble. This is kind of lacy, and then here we're going to cut it off. Maybe another line, and maybe a little detail here in the center. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come out to draw her skirt. So I'm just going to go out on both sides and bring it down. So let's keep a little bit more. It's short, but not that short. So let's say about right there. Go ahead and connect it with a curve. Then we're going to draw the waist, add a curve right here. Then it parts right about here. So if you like, you can bring this part up a little bit. And then there's 2 straps right here. And I'll just put in a line to simplify it. There. Okay, then from there, let's draw her legs. So this is about her center. So I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, and let's go ahead and I'll work on this side first. Go all the way down. And same thing here, hips. So we're just going to get thinner as we come down. And let's say about right there, I'll stop. But if you're using a pencil, just go all the way. But I want to go ahead and she has these lacy socks. So the top part right here, and then the bottom part is longer, comes out. And then continue. There. And then we're going to flare it out for her feet and her shoes. So about right here. And connect. And then for some details, come right about here. 2 straps, another line. And I'll just lightly put in 2 lines for some details on her socks. So let's do the same thing on the other side. It's just so hard trying to figure out what outfit to give Lara. So hopefully you like the one I chose. And so same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and finish the arms. So this side, let's have the hands on her hips. So right here, bring it out and about right here. Come down, then angle. So round this part off for her shoulders and just sticking it all up. Down and then her little finger. So this side, let's just gonna have it come out. So about right here, round it off. And we're gonna come down to right about here, her elbow, and then down. To about right here. And the fingers. And another little one right there. Okay, so then from there, let's see, we need to finish the rest of her hair. So let's bring this out, maybe give it a little strand, pop it back in. And it's really long, so here and there, just add in some strands. And do the same thing on the other side. There. And if you like, you can add some lines here. For her hair. But, oh, one last thing, of course. I'll give her a little necklace. So I'll draw a heart right here and then connect it. There. And that is pretty much it for my version here of Lara from Katseye. I really hope you love her as just as much as the one I drew of Megan. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you draw her fun and easy today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.